abakuru ku rugo muri DFCU Bank babwine habashubuzo ku rugo mu Rembo MBARARA okubasima habwo bushagici omukujaguza emyaka nkaga DFCU Bank yasyo mu buhereza.
Our focus is transform lives in business Uganda. Uganda has a very clear vision for the future. That vision is to transform Uganda into a manufacturing country, to create value addition and a strong agricultural base. And DFCU, by transforming lives in Uganda, staying close to the Uganda vision, that's how we survived for the last 60 years.
Charles Mudiwa, CEO wa DFCU Bank, nagamba ngo baza kongera kushajika eby'obuhinji n'obulisi mu ihanga na no kongera kushajika empaka za Vision Group ezo muhinji w'omutano.
And when we run this competition, part of the award is that we fly you on KLM and you go to Netherlands and you spend 10 days learning about farming and agriculture. And we're hoping next year when we run this again, which is this year actually, we will be seeing more farmers from here, taking them away as part of our partnership.
Matene kananura omusinguzi w'empaka z'omuhinji w'omutano ez'omwaka oguhwire 2023 asimire DFCU Bank ahabwo kumushajika obwe bari kumuhaza loni ezamuyambere kukora famu y'omurembe.
I want to thank DFCU. It has transformed our school. It's one of the best schools we have in Uganda. We appreciate as MBARARA Business Club.
We are part of Uganda. Remember, we're created to support Uganda, and we continue to do that.
Abakuru ku rugo muri DFCU Bank nabaza kwetorora ebyanga byono mu ihanga obwe bari kubugana ba customer babo okubasima ahabwo kubashajiko mu myaka nkaga yibasyo mu buhereza ahabwa TV West ndi Elias Rutugusa.